Hello friends, welcome back to another solution video. In this video, I will be providing you the solution of our Arcade Level 3 Developer Essentials second lab solution. This is Docker Essential Container Networking. Okay? Now, before starting the solution, I simply want to inform you that I already uploaded the solution of the first lab, also the solution of the trivia week 1 for the September. So both the solutions are there, the playlists are there. You can access them from the link in the description box. And एक करके Arcade Level 3 के सारे solution इसी playlist में update हो जाएंगे. So stay with. Okay? Now without wasting time, start this particular lab. Open it, and all we need to do in this lab is to just start it, spend 5 minutes, and that's it. You don't need to perform any task. Just start the lab, spend 5 minutes in the lab, and you will automatically get the green tick. There is no check my progress button, तो आपको इसमें कोई task भी complete नहीं करना. जस्ट लैब जैसे ही स्टार्ट हो जाए, टाइमर पे ध्यान रखना, जैसे ही 5 मिनट स्टार्ट कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे, आपकी लैब कंप्लीट हो जाएगी. ओके, so wait for the 5 minutes and I will meet you in the video once the timer pass 5. Okay, in that time, go to the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and press the notification icon so you won't be missing any upcoming video notification. Now, as you can see, I already spent more than 5 minutes in this lab. Now I can simply click on the end lab button, click on end lab button once again, give the star rating that you want to give, click on submit. Now come back to main page and you will see that you get the green tick beside our lab. आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना था, just spend 5 minutes and you will be getting the free points. Yes, is here. So if you like the video, make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or on the WhatsApp group. Thank you very much. Good. Bye.